It turns and turns and turns, but will neither tighten nor loosen. So let's deal with these tie rods. Okay, so the first thing we're going to try to do here is if we can force this to start catching again. So let's see, let's lock, this is unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Okay, so I think I got that right. So this should cause it. Yeah, it's just turning. So we're going to have to somehow try to cut this off. I don't want to damage that at all. It'd be nice to be able to get some space in there. Well, I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to. So well, I hope that's going to be okay. So this is what's come off. Okay. Well, now get a splitter on there to try to break that up. Okay, so following my foolishness, trying and cutting off too much, I've gone out and bought this. What I've done is I've flipped the bit that I've cut off upside down, so I've got the end of the nut pointing up, and now we're going to try. And I'm not convinced this will work, but no, so it just fell out straight away. I was hoping that I could. Oh, right, there we go. Oh, fine. After all that, it came out that easily. That's good. So, there we are. Okay. So we got that off. So next stage is to undo this. want this to be loosened up, so I want this to go in that way, so I need to in effect tighten this a little bit. Okay, so that's loosening that off, and then I should be able to take this off. So what we'll do is we will mark it. Okay. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, just 17, sure it was 18 last time. Okay, so it's a different thread. Don't know what to do about this. That's very worrying. That got tie wood. That very clearly has a different thread on it, and we can see the difference coming out here. And I don't know what to do. I guess we're going to go and make a phone call and see if we can get anywhere. So I've done some looking for the part number 010928 as a track rod or a tie rod, and we can see it seems to be coming up with I bought a new track rods for an Escort RS 2000. Here it is again. Track rod for an MG Midget stroke Austin. Seems to have the same part number. Here we go. MGB. Oh no, that's me asking the question. So it's not that one. 11 hours ago. I don't think so. Here we have it again coming up. So for an Escort. So It looks to me like I have Escort track rods on my car, and if we try to find Escort track rods on eBay, here we go. This is the same part right there, and you can actually see the number 10. Oh no, it's different. That's 101, not 010. Huh. Interesting. But I've definitely seen something which looks similar. Anyway, whatever it is, we appear to have the wrong parts. And I've got a couple of questions out on, well, I've got a question on the MG Experience, seeing if I can work out what to do about it and how to go about it. And I'm working through those at the moment, but I'm working through those at the moment, and we'll see later what I do. Okay, so here we are on the other side, and I don't know if you're able to read this, but this is the same 010928 is on there. So clearly this is wrong, so I think actually my track rods and steering is all wrong, and that is a little bit worrying. So I don't know if that means I'm going to have to replace everything on the inside there as well, or if I will just need to replace these. And oh, I found where this is broken, by the way, and this, so I'm going to go do a bit of investigation about that now and come back. Okay, so I've been doing a bit more investigating, and it would seem that tie rods with this number on the end come off an Escort. Now, I've been looking at the steering rack as well, and the steering rack looks right, as in it looks like it's an MGB steering rack and not an Escort steering rack. And so I don't know what to do. So I could buy just these track rods, tie rods, and install them, and see if we're good to go. Or I could buy a new steering rack, considerably more expensive, and know I've got the right thing in. Now, it would appear that on this car, I don't have the right things in a number of places. So if we come back, those carbs are for a pre-72 car, and this car's a 79 or an 80. So, the age of the car, it should have HIF carbs rather than the SU4, and I'm assuming those were SU4 and not something else. So I think a number of things have been changed at some point, and I guess I'm worried about sticking with the steering rack. I think I'm talking myself into having to spend the money. I'm worried about sticking with the steering rack, which is clearly the wrong one for the, which might be the wrong one for the car. Even though when I look at it, the steering rack looks right to me. So we're going to end this episode here, and we'll discover in a new episode what I've decided to do. In the meantime, you can see, if you look there, I've also been working on the water pump, trying to sort out that engine noise. And so the next episode will be on that, and maybe after that we'll find out what I've decided to do about the tie rods and the steering rack.